Fourb from Brus is a specialized company for the production of high-quality products in the field of steel processing and the manufacturing of steel structures. We employ 240 specialized workers, with a production area of 8,000 square meters and a finished goods warehouse of 30,000 square meters. We are one of the leading companies in the region. Our vision is to become a leader in the metal processing sector, recognized for innovation, quality, and reliability. Our mission is to ensure the highest quality service through the expertise and dedication of our employees and to our clients. Our company invests in the latest technologies, including CNC machines, laser cutting machines, bending and welding machines with automated systems. These advanced machines allow for precise processing and high-quality finished products while reducing production time and costs. Annually, we process 3,000 tons of steel, producing the following: modular buildings, telecommunication towers, prefabricated halls, steel elements for various purposes, canopies, and roofs. Our team members have years of experience in assembly, allowing them to efficiently and safely tackle any challenges on site during installation. Each team member undergoes regular training and upskilling to stay up to date with the latest standards and technologies. We also place great emphasis on workplace safety and environmental protection. With experience, innovation, and commitment to quality, Fourb is the ideal partner for all your needs.